Welcome to week 7, Integration of Legislation in Labor Practice. In this week, you integrate all the knowledge gained, your analysis of the articles that you have critiqued, and the applying of knowledge and skills gained in this week 7, as well as the 6 weeks prior to this. You must be able to know which legislation is applicable, why is it applicable, and when is it applicable. What does it mean to integrate your knowledge gained in the past 6 weeks? It means to be able to merge the knowledge and skills gained and know when to use it and how to use it for a particular set of problems in practice or in your workplace that you confront daily in the sphere of labor law and conflict. It is important to go through an example of conflict and challenges in the workplace to understand when, what, and how to apply the law and regulations. For an example, a common problem that arises for female colleagues is harassment, and in particular sexual harassment. When a lady is touched or even told words of sexual connotations because of the way that they are dressed or their physical appearance. You need to know what the code is regulating harassment and that it is, of course, applicable to harassment cases. Harassment is a serious offense and needs to be given the urgent attention that is required. The perpetrator that commits harassment must be given a formal warning, as this constitutes as misconduct in the workplace. Depending on the severity of the misconduct, it can even justify dismissal of an employee. When the employer commits misconduct, there are various avenues, such as claiming retribution of monetary compensation and even opening a criminal case against the employer. One can also negotiate the severance package accordingly, because it can be argued that sexual harassment was a form of constructive dismissal, as the working conditions have become intolerable. Methodology. It is important when you approach problems in the workplace or as a commissioner, identifying the issues that arise is always the cornerstone to resolving any conflict. And that is, it is necessary to explore how did it happen, when did it happen, why did it happen, what was done, what is the applicable laws and codes and regulations. It is important to question and inquire, why is this legislation applicable? Why is this code applicable? Why are the regulations applicable? What is the practical implications of the applicability of the law? To also inquire, have the parties left out essential aspects? Is it necessary to inquire about the essential aspects that have been left out, for example? And you need to approach any problem as a puzzle, that you are the problem solver. And in order to solve problems just as a detective, you have to equate the evidence that is before you. You have to ask further questions. You investigate, you explore what is before you. And you ask the necessary and important questions that need to be asked in order to clarify and to make sure that what is conveyed by the parties is the true meaning of what they do want to express. Because even in communication, sometimes what we express or what we say isn't what we mean. So we need to ensure that there is a clear communication line. So congratulations on reaching the last week of this course. So enjoy every moment as your hard work has culminated into a victory. Thank you.